you want to use text to speech on POCO X8 Pro, just open the settings. Now you have to scroll all the way down into the additional settings, and here you have to go into that option called accessibility. Now go to the vision and click to the select to speak. Now when you click on this icon and click allow, it will be turned on. And now if you click on this button, you'll get selection of the whole screen. So if you want to read everything, you will have to click here and it will just start reading. You can just speed up, slow down, pause. But if you want to select some specific part of the screen, you have to click and hold it and now drag. But first of all, we have to just turn it off. Now click and hold, activate, click and hold, and now drag. And now it will read only this phrase. And you can still customize it. So for example, you can add that option to read in the background, change reading voice, but also we can select some text-to-speech options like speech rate, pitch, or for example, language.